Welcome back. You're watching Prime Edition. Let's now get into business. And the Kenyan economy defied erratic rainfall and a weak manufacturing sector to post a 4.6% growth in 2025. The latest economic data from the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics Economic Survey shows the growth is weaker compared to the 4.7% in 2024. Agriculture, forestry and fishing expanded by 2.8% in 2025, which is well below the 4.3% posted in 2024.
National Treasury Cabinet Secretary John Mbadi says despite poor performance in agriculture, it was a major driver of economic growth in the year under review, together with mining, accommodation and food. The manufacturing sector registered a slowed growth of 2.1% in 2025, against a 3.2% growth in 2024 due to constriction in sugarcane processing. Key drivers of the 4.6% growth were the construction sector, which registered a growth rate of 6.8%, powered by public sector spending on roads, affordable houses, and other private sector projects. In the extractives, mining and quarrying expanded sharply by 14.9%. Accommodation and food services grew by 15.6%, public administration by 8.3%, financial and insurance services by 6.5%, and information and communication by 4.8%. The International Monetary Fund projects the Kenyan economic growth to slow down to 4.5% this year due to disruptions caused by the US-Iran war. The drop will be the fourth in a row after 2025 growth slowed to 4.6% from 4.7% in 2024.
We take note that we reported 4.8, but that number, that figure went down to 4.7 after the revision. So 2024, our growth was 4.7. 2025, and this is the new thing that we have, is 4.6%. So we have grown by, our economy has grown by 4.6%.
Cost of living eased with average inflation dropping to 4.1% from 4.5% in 2024.
January 4.4%, February 4.3%, March 4.4%, now April 5.6%, and with the possibility that it can go a little higher in the month of May, because again, the contributing factor to this jump in inflation is the geopolitical disruptions that have happened in the Middle East.
Gross domestic product expanded 17.6 trillion shillings in 2025 from 16.23 trillion shillings in 2024.
Kenya's economy is expected to remain resilient in 2026, supported by a strong services sector, improved agricultural output, and we thank God the rains have come.
Benson, Rioba, reporting for Prime Edition.